As time goes by, technological advancements have seen us learn more facts about space in the past century than in all time before that. We've literally searched the universe for the most amazing space facts, including facts about the planets in our solar system, moons, the Milky Way, and beyond. One. The highest mountain discovered is the Olympus Mons, which is located on Mars. Its peak is 16 miles high, making it nearly 3 times higher than Mount Everest. And not only is it tall, but it's also 374,015 square feet wide. That's an area the size of Arizona. 2. Footprints left on the moon won't disappear as there is no wind. But wait a minute. If there's no wind to blow them away, then why is the flag blowing? Well, it actually wasn't blowing. That rippling you see is because of a stubborn telescopic horizontal rod that the astronauts were struggling to remove from the flag's upper hem. 3. There are 79 known moons orbiting Jupiter. Jupiter is the planet in our solar system with the most moons, and it also has the largest moon in our solar system. That moon is called Ganymede and is 33,279 miles in diameter. That's bigger than Mercury, and it is visible with just a pair of binoculars. 4. NASA's Crater Observation and Sensing Satellite, LCROSS, found evidence of water on the Earth's moon. Whilst water cannot exist on the moon's surface under its current conditions, scientists believe water ice could survive within the cold, permanently shadowed crates at the moon's 2 poles. 5. Earth is the only planet not named after a god. Nobody knows how the Earth got its name. All we know is that it is derived from an amalgamation of both the Old English and Old Germanic words for ground. 6. According to mathematics, white holes are possible, although as of yet we have found none. A white hole is a hypothetical region of spacetime which can't be entered from the outside, although matter and light can escape from within. Basically, it's the reverse of a black hole. 7. Neptune takes nearly 165 Earth years to make one orbit of the Sun. That's equivalent to 60,190 Earth days to orbit the Sun once. Neptune has a very slow orbital speed of 3.37 miles per second. This means that since it was discovered in 1846, it has only completed just one orbit. 8. We know more about Mars and our moon than we do about our oceans. We have fully mapped 100% of the surface of Mars and Earth's moon, whereas we have only been able to map roughly 5% of the ocean floor. 9. Only 5% of the universe is visible from Earth. 68% of the universe is dark energy and 27% is dark matter. Both of these are invisible, even with a telescope, which means we are only able to see 5% of the universe. 10. The International Space Station circles Earth every 92 minutes. The speed of the ISS as it orbits Earth is roughly 17,150 miles per hour. That equates to 5 miles a second. 11. Using the naked eye, you can see 3 to 7 different galaxies from Earth. You can see the Andromeda Galaxy, M31, both Magellanic Clouds, our own Milky Way galaxy, the Triangulum Galaxy, M33, the Omega Centauri and the Sagittarius Dwarf Spheroidal Galaxy. 12. In 2016, scientists detected a radio signal from a source 5 billion light-years away. This means that when the signal started its journey, Earth didn't even exist. The detected signals were located using the Very Large Array, VLA, of the National Radio Astronomy Observatory in New Mexico. 13. On Venus, it snows metal and rains sulfuric acid. This is because Venus is a scorching planet choked with sulfuric acid, which causes the planet's metals to become gas and then liquid in the atmosphere, before raining down to the ground after the freezing temperatures turn it into a solid. 14. The word astronaut means star sailor in its origins. It is derived from the Greek words astron, meaning star, and nautes, which means sailor. 15. As space has no gravity, pens won't work. Normal pens work by gravity pulling the ink towards the pen's nib, the writing part, as you hold the pen in your handwriting part facing downwards. As there's no gravity in space, the ink doesn't get pulled to the nib. However, special pens have been made that work in zero gravity. 16. Mars is the most likely planet in our solar system to be hospitable to life. In 1986, NASA found what they believe may be fossils of microscopic living organisms in a rock recovered from the surface of Mars. 17. There is a planet half the radius of the Earth with a surface made up of diamonds. 55 Cancri E has a mass 8 times that of Earth's despite having half the radius, and may very well have a surface made up of graphite and diamonds. It is only 40 light-years away and visible to the naked eye under the constellation of Cancer. 18. The planet Mars was named after the Roman god of war because its color resembles blood. 19. Buzz Lightyear from Toy Story has actually been to outer space. Buzz Lightyear spent 15 months on board the International Space Station and returned to Earth on September 11, 2009. 20. The 186-year-old tornado on Jupiter. Jupiter's Great Red Spot is a high-pressure storm on the enormous planet Jupiter that is said to be as bad as the worst hurricanes on Earth. It's so large that you could fit 1,300 of our Earth inside it. In 1979, the Voyager 1 took amazing photographs of this phenomenon. With these and other photographs of Jupiter, they allowed scientists to see different colors in the clouds around the Great Red Spot, suggesting the clouds swirl around the spot counterclockwise at varying altitudes. The Great Red Spot had been observed from Earth for around 400 years as it's large enough to be viewed by Earth-based telescopes. In 1665, Giovanni Domenico Cassini is said to have been the first to officially observe this marvel. Obviously this is quite difficult to confirm, but one thing's for certain: this ever-decreasing powerhouse is dying off, becoming smaller and smaller over time. Yet it's still one of the weirdest spectacles of the universe. Space, for many, is a weird and wonderful thing. The great unknown is something mankind has always observed and tried to learn from. By understanding our galaxy we may be able to understand our place in it, and how this world came to be.